You're on the wrong side. Head that way.
Oh, these are Lions kids.
Yeah. What's Noel doing? That was a good one.
That's why they're going so slow, because they got these kids walking. I forgot about that. It's Don King that takes the picture. Get him on the camera if Bobby wants us to. Who the girl is, do you know? Who's standing when you need somebody to tell you who's who?
She probably don't know.
Who's that little girl Donnie with? You know? It's L.A. Who's this little girl? I know the guys on the girl.
I don't know who the girl is. I think they're all a bunch of things.
Stop, she's up at oh, Michael, those girls over. Hey, somebody's thinking it's me.
They know that's what I said. That's what I said.
Oh, your voice is very distinctive. Like Nightmare on Elm
Here
Street.
comes Michael. Make sure you get him on there.
I know.
Don, here goes Michael.
What are they doing? Shannon, there's your boyfriend in the hot pink miniskirt.
I think those are people that have been to my house.
There's Don. these juniors or seniors?
Oh, there's Alan.
I couldn't tell they were saying junior stuff or senior stuff. Wave, Alan!
That truck is about maxed out.
Oh, Lord.
Here comes Ryan.
Oh no. We'll throw in toilet paper rolls. You were kidding me.
Hair on Robert.
Who?
Robert, sitting on the front of the car.
Oh.
This truck is a Tyler truck.
I know. That's safe.
Yeah, they go too fast. I think that's good. Yes, that's it. Okay. There they go. They're walking in front of you. I'm telling you. Have you got that on? Huh?
Mr. Kidwell.
Michael's standing in the back.
so loud.
Come on, I need some yards! This is John football crowd of the Panthers! Hey, y'all want to see you, Judge? Hey, I got one question for you. Friday night, what job is it? What? Right now, I'm so pumped up. I got goosebumps right now. I can't ready to get on that field Friday night. Because I tell you what, I'm about to eat some Panthers up. Come on, some yards. Alright. We need y'all come out here Friday night, because it's going to get crazy. We need a lot of people in the fans get nuts. That's what I'm saying. I can't wait to get out there. These guys can't wait to get out there. We already got goosebumps. Next night. All I got to say is come out, support us, and we'll win. I don't know what else to say. I'm nervous. It's a big game in my senior year. Come out, just get loud and crazy. We'll win. Oh, Jesus. Let me hear you if you're going to the game tonight. Tomorrow night.